Hey, I'm Alberto. I'm an architect, and today I have another tutorial where I will explain how to migrate or how to use a 2D CAD command. For instance, something that we'll be using in AutoCAD or Rhino here in Blender, which will be useful if you are trying to use or trying to replicate, for instance, a 2D drafting environment in Blender. And the command today will be the offset. Offset is a quite popular and basic command that you'll find in many different CAD solutions, and I will explain how to mimic that in Blender. But to explain step by step how to use it in Blender, we have to go first into a CAD tool, and I will show you what the offset command does. So let's go to AutoCAD. And here I am in AutoCAD. Now, how can we use this offset command? To show you or explain what we can do with the offset, let me create a polyline. I will type PL and start a polyline here. Let's create something really simple so we can jump straight into using the offset. Now, the offset, you will find it here on the modify section of your ribbon menu. And once you start the offset, you have to give AutoCAD a distance to use with the offset. But what can we do with the offset? A simple explanation for the offset is it will create parallel copies of your drawing entities. And in this case, it will create a parallel copy of this polyline. Let's say I want to create a copy with 1 meter in distance. I will press enter. I just type it 1 here, enter, select this line, and I can start making copies of this polyline. Quite simple, right? Let me show you how it works in Rhino. And here I am in Rhino. Let me create a similar polyline one that looks like what we created in AutoCAD. And you will find here the offset under the curve tools. Let me just open here, curve tools, right here. You can start a simple offset or an offset multiple. Let's choose the multiple option with a right click. And here in the command line, I can choose the distance and how many copies I want. Let me choose here like 5 copies. I already have my distance as 1. I will press enter to confirm. Oh, sorry. I will select the curves or the polyline that I want to use, press enter, and I will choose the distance or the direction, and here we have it. 5 copies. Now let's try to replicate this in Blender. And here I am in Blender. Now, how can I replicate or use something that looks like that offset command from AutoCAD and Rhino here in Blender? Is there a way? Yes, but we have to use an add-on for that. A free add-on, you can install it from the Blender extensions repository. By the way, I'll be using 2 add-ons to follow up with this part of the tutorial. To install those add-ons, you just have to go under the Edit, Preferences, and here under Get Extensions, I will be using first this add-on here called Extra Mesh Objects, and then this object here called Edit Mesh Tools. You just have to type the names of those objects, those add-ons here under Search Extensions, and install them from the extensions repository. Let me close this panel, and we can go back to follow up with our example. Now, to get started, I will create something that looks like those lines that I made in AutoCAD and Rhino. Press Shift A, single vert, and add single vert. This is from the Extra Mesh Objects. This is the add-on. It will expand your mesh options. Create this object here, or this single vertex, and I will extrude it once in the y-axis. Let me use another extrude and another extrude on the x-axis. Just press the X key to align it on the x-axis. Now, how can I use something like an offset? If you press Shift D, it won't work because it will not create a parallel copy. I need a parallel copy for this object. This is when the edit mesh tools comes in. If you install this add-on, you will see a new tab here on your 3D viewport sidebar. And under the mesh tools, you'll see many different options. Let me zoom in so you can take a look. You have curve tools, you have Boolean options, and right here at the bottom, you have this mesh tools. And one of the options under edge tools is this one right here, offset edges. Let's take a look on how it works. If I press this button, offset edges, take a look on what we just did. An offset, just like AutoCAD. And you can edit the distance here under the width on your operator panel. Let me change this to 1, like 1 meter, what we just did with AutoCAD. And you can change the angle, and you can keep making new offsets. Just press the button again and it will repeat the offset in a similar way to what we had in AutoCAD. So this is it. Really simple. The secret here is just to use this free add-on, the Mesh Edit Tools. And now we know how to replicate the offset command just like AutoCAD, Rhino, and many other different CAD tools. And if you want to keep learning about how to use Blender as a CAD tool or as a 2D drafting tool, you can take a look into my workshop, Blender 4.2 Precise Modeling, which works just fine with Blender 5.0, where I explain step by step for beginners how to use Blender as a CAD tool. And if you want to learn more about those hidden tools or hidden options that comes from free add-ons, I have this book here that I just released, which focus on add-ons only for 3D modeling in Blender. I will leave links in the description. It will support my work here in Blender 3D Architect. In this link, you can take a look into the table of contents, download sample pages from the book, and see if it will help you learn more about 3D modeling with Blender. Links in the description. If you are not subscribed yet, subscribe so you won't miss any future tutorials. See you next time. Bye.